Good Friday morning. It is the 13th of November, 2024. Going to be a chilly day, but the winds have subsided, so it won't feel too bad out there. Highs will be just a little bit below normal. We're in the low to mid 40s now as highs, and we'll be in the upper 30s. So, 5, 6, 7, 8 degrees, a little bit below normal. So chilly, but not too bad without the wind, so it will definitely help. And you see us here, we're all clear. I mean, a lot of the United States is pretty much clear of moisture. You see stuff trying to crash in here into the west. But we have this high pressure, these cold isobars over top of us, so it's cold. And so we move forward, or cold heights, I should say. Moving forward here in time, we look at this disturbance that's going across the middle part of the country. As it comes in here on Sunday, it may start as a little bit of a mix of rain, sleet, snow, but turn over to rain. Nothing over, heavy by any means whatsoever. But it will, be a nuisance rain. It looks like it's pretty popular, pretty popular. Pretty likely is what I'm going to say. Here as we go into Sunday evening, overnight. Monday looks pretty much dry, kind of cloudy. Southerly winds going to warm us up. And then we have this front that's going to come through on Tuesday. It's really dried up a lot, or it's a pretty dry front, so it's not going to be much moisture at all. Just a few showers around on Tuesday. Here we're in better heights, so this is going to be a pretty mild week. Going all the way into Wednesday here, we're staying mild, highs in the 50s or so, and then we'll finally have this bigger disturbance happening towards the end of the week. And you can see the cold air coming down here from Canada. Very similar looking way, a little bit, not exactly because it's not quite as big of a storm as this last week, but that low then builds up, so quite a bit of rain, which we need, so it's all good, all welcome. I didn't put the drought monitor out, but I'll take a look at it here in a minute. But I know we're still in a severe drought as of Tuesday. That comes through, and now the cold air really rushes in here. So we're really chilly then by the 20th. So this is next weekend. A lot of wind here in this low pressure system. Again, obviously timing, strength, and position, everything is going to be something we'll have to watch. Just because that's just the way things work. But I mean, it looks like a very windy Friday and cold next Friday. Then the cold sticks around, and here we go with some interesting weather. I mean, at this point, what I can tell you guys is around the 21st of December, 2021 or whatever, there is a signal for some type of a storm along the East Coast. And there is cold air around. The challenge is what piece of energy amplifies, how much it amplifies, when does it amplify, and everything else. And I don't love this, but as of now, a lot of the amplification is south of us, and I know that this is possible. It's not unheard of that in this pattern this could happen, but here you go. I mean, coastal Carolina is getting dumped on with snow, and we get missed here in the Northern Virginia area. Far eastern, southeastern Virginia, the eastern shore could get some snow on this low pressure system. Is this right? Probably not exactly, but there is a signal for a storm during that time period. It's too far south of the east. The old bias of the GFS, this is the American model, was that storms along the East Coast were usually too far south of the east. But I believe they corrected for that to an extent, so maybe this is even too far west. Who knows? We'll have to see. In general, though, it stays kind of cool through Christmas, but there is a hint here that we'd warm back up, and that also is interesting because I thought by the time we headed after Christmas, things would start to get a lot cooler for the area. So I don't know, like I said, if these things are right. Things look a little different than what I was expecting at this point in time. So I would think that by the next forecast model cycle, things are going to look a lot different. But we can say at least the next 5, 6, 7 days look like this. Where we'll be cold today, but not super cold, around 40. Tomorrow, cold still. Sunday, we may see a little bit of snow, sleet, rain, mixture. Nothing super heavy during the day, but kind of a cloudy, dreary, winter day, kind of cool. On Monday, a break in milder conditions. Tuesday, a chance of some showers, still pretty mild. Wednesday, pretty mild. Thursday, a front comes through with some good rain, possibly. Thursday, I should say, rain. Then Friday, really big chill down into next weekend, and then we just watch and see where we go from there. Anyway, this has been your Friday Loudoun County weather outlook for December 13th. Yeah, so it's Friday the 13th. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend.